Hello everyone, hope you are good. Today we'll be fixing this ASUS which is stuck on the screen like this. It's either stuck on the screen or it tells you that repairing, but when it's repairing it will never get repaired, so it's gonna be stuck like this. It's not gonna proceed from here forward to bring you up to the start screen. So what I'm gonna do is that when your computer is doing that, it means you need to reinstall the Windows. The previous window which was there was crashed. So on this USB flash drive I have a Windows, so I also have a video that tells you how to put Windows into a USB flash drive. So I'm gonna proceed by inserting it, or let's first of all switch it off. After switching it off, I wanna put in my USB key inside. After putting it on, I'm gonna press the turn on button, then I press F2 immediately, so it takes me to the boot menu or the BIOS. There we go. After it takes me there, I'm gonna go to the boot menu and I have some few things to change here. Click on the boot menu and then I want to boot from the USB and I hold on. Because this is also a slow computer, we just have to hold on for it to load. Then it's gonna boot from the USB key and we'll proceed to install the Windows. So I'm gonna be installing Windows 10, so I'm gonna show you step by step in case. Now the screen becomes blue because it's detecting the Windows to be installed. So we just have to be patient, especially if your laptop is slow. You just have to be patient. After being blue for like 5 seconds, it's gonna bring you to this page. What you wanna do, you just proceed by clicking next and then we install. So we just have to wait again for it to load. Remember, I told you it's a slow computer. It's also good to put a charger in because this process takes a very long time. So I'm gonna put in my charger so that the battery doesn't disappoint us. So we keep waiting. So for now I'll just have to forward it here.